the artist here. This is one called Amphibia. This is one of the most popular ones, as you can see. Quite a few tourists in this one here. A few customers in there as well. There's the inside of the Byrd House. Yeah, also very quiet in here. Wow. There's a counter area. 5 bottles in a Raja. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just gone 7 PM. I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a beach walking tour from the rear entrance of the Icon Bali shopping mall to the Byrd House. So this area of beach location it's going to be featured in tonight's video is called a Sindhu beach location. It's home to quite a few hotel accommodation options in this area. I shall feature the ones that are on display here in tonight's video. I think there's only the Kajura suites and villas that we're going to be able to see in tonight's video. But however, there is quite a lot of restaurants in this area. So I'm going to start at the rear entrance of Icon Shopping Mall. Inside the shopping mall itself, there's quite a good collection of restaurants. I've eaten at many of the restaurants inside the shopping mall. Exceptionally good food available from many of the places inside of there. And then there's 2 that come out onto the beachfront here at the rear entrance to Icon Bali Shopping Mall. The first one is called Natty's, and the second one is called the Sands Beach Bar and Grill, I think it is. So as we're walking along the track, there's going to be quite a few more restaurants as well, most notably in this area, Soul on the Beach, K Manis, Mourinho, Benos, Tutsi, Warung Caretta, and then I'm going to finish at the Byrd House. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a night stroll here at the Sindhu Beach location in Sanur. Okay, so here's a start point for tonight's video, the rear entrance to the Icon Bali shopping mall here in Sanur. Appetito craft pizza, chocolates, Japanese barbecue, the Royal Kitchen right on the top there, Indian restaurant. Have Natty's, I think this is called Natty's Bar and Grill. Let's just have a look inside here. Very nice inside here. Do have some live music on it as well. And just from Natty's we have Sand Beach Bar and restaurant. A few customers in there as well. Just show you the entrance here. The water feature here. Water feature there. Here and there. And then we'll just take you to the front and show you the front view as well. A few people here on the beach area. Well, it is Icon Bali. This is the rear entrance to Natty's Bar and Grill. Big menu at the front here. A few people in there. We do have some live music as well. Let me just go in and take you and show you the live music. Ooh, just finished there. Here's the live music. Okay, so that's Natty's Bar and Grill. A few people sat on the wooden platform decking here. A few Western tourists actually. A bit dark. So here's the entrance to the sands from here. Not really anybody at this end here. Some beach bar and restaurant. There's the seating areas. There's 2 ladies sitting down there now. And we have Osteria pizza restaurant here. Not so super busy in there neither. A few tourists again here. Let's continue walking along the track. So just down the track from the Osteria we have Kajura Villas and Suites. It's an accommodation this. There's something there. Can't really see too much, it's in darkness. We'll just continue walking here. So we're just down from Kajura Sweets. We have a collection of tourist goods shops here. Very typical tourist goods. There's seating areas as well. Hats, caps. There's lots of stuff available.
I got here any color?
Rungs also. And then we have the Sindhu beach market here. Featured this in a video not so long ago. Stuff in the back there, still open. There's for rent, if anyone's interested in the rent. There's the price. And then we have Marino Benos here. Keep meaning to try this restaurant, but never have yet. Some Western tourists in there. Seating area out the front here on the beach also. Only 2 people here this evening. It's very, very quiet this evening. Happy hour on the cocktails. Menus at the front there. It's the Marino Benos. The tourist goods shops here. This one's got a collection of ladies' dresses. Some sandals, bags, caps, things of that nature there. Next we're going to be coming to the KU Manis. Tour information, tour booking service there. Looks so he's already gone home. Have these little things now so you can take your picture for the camera. Nice guy in there. Ooh la la. And this is the KU Manis. So I've actually made a change to this now. Wow, I've opened it all up here at the front. It's very nice actually. KU Manis Seaside Sanur. Guy's just coming out with the food there now. Wow, it's very, very nice inside now. They've opened all the front up here. Made it very big, very grand. Looking nice. Tourists on the bicycles there. And here's the KU Manis now, the seating area outside. Do have live music, he's not playing at the moment, but he's just setting up there. Nice. It's all there at the KU Manis. Okay, so just from the KU Manis, good tourists here, we have Soul on the Beach. It's one of my favourite places on the beach here in Sanur. This serves exceptionally good food. Oh, Bali, I'm never coming home. Perfect picture. Smoking area here. Very quiet again, nobody here. It's normally at least people sat in here tonight. Here we have the main entrance to Soul on the Beach. Let's go and take a look at the musician over here. Hello. Look at your the artist here.
Piensa que tal vez mañana yo estaré lejos, muy lejos de ti.
It's your artist. We're just continuing on from Soul on the Beach. I'm going to cut in this way. We have DD Reflexology already closed. We have the Inner Sindhu Sanur here. Resort. I'm not sure if it's a resort or a hotel, this one. It's just there to the left. Wow, very, very empty again inside there. I think this is maybe more busy when it's breakfast. All the breakfast buffet laid out here, I think. So just from the inner Sindhu there, we have a place called Beachside Restaurant and Bar. However, it is connected with the inner Sindhu. It's breakfast, 110k. Buffet breakfast, all you can eat. And it's at the, let's just show you here. Beachside Restaurant and Bar, connected with the inner Sindhu. With a special offer on as well, buy two, get one free. Hello, how are you, brother? Good, you good? Good, good. And there's the inside, so there's some tourists inside there as well. There's a wonderful staff. There's a seasonal juice drinks. Very reasonably priced that actually for the beach. Nice. Another dish here as well. The tourists going past here now. Now we've arrived at a collection of warungs here at the beach. We're going to go left first of all. There is some round the back, like a beach bar as well here at the inner Sindhu. So there's a collection of the warungs round the back here. Not very busy this evening at all. Wow. This one's, I've been told about this one. It's has the burgers, Dutch burger. Only 20k, 25k. I think they are chicken burgers, not beef burgers. On the sides there, he's just sitting down now. Okay, and then just coming back round now, we have a City Mart, which is like a local convenience store. We have a Rendang Iga It's there at the Boo, connected with the inner Sindhu. We have a collection of the local warungs here. So most of them are already packed up for the evening. They're already packing up, very, very early packing up. It's only just gone 7 p.m. This is one called Amphibia. This is one of the most popular ones, as you can see. Quite a few tourists in this one here. It's all the fresh seafood there. It's all the ice on the glass counter.
Thank you. Sorry. You're like all the things.
Jet ski for rent. Anyone wants to get a price for that? WhatsApp numbers there. There's Amphibia. So we just keep continuing on from Amphibia. We have the Sindhu Turtle Conservation Centre here. All the turtles are in the tanks here. Just make a donation in the box there. Okay, just continuing on from the Turtle Conservation Centre. Have a big turtle there. So we're just coming out now. So there is a Pantai Sindhu sign here, Sindhu Beach sign. That's the street of Jalan Pantai Sindhu, just up there. Quite a few accommodations up that way. Not very much going on the beach tonight though. Well, anywhere actually, the restaurants, the beach. Seems relatively quiet. A new little place here. Some drinks. Next we have Lahutu's coffee shop. This is a coffee shop in some local little sellers here. And there's Lahutu's. Very, very quiet. Wow, can't believe how quiet it is. Lahutu's is in the back there. Next we have Warung Kareta. Big menu at the front here. Seating in here again, only very few customers. 4 just sat by the front, another 4 down at the actual front there. That's Warung Kareta. So just next door to Warung Kareta we have the Baruna Beach Market, Baruna Beach Massage also. We have Tutsi Bar and Restaurant, it's a little bit bright, the lights. Baruna Beach Market here. It's just down the side there. Keep meaning to finish that, feature that in a video. Well, this is Tutsi here. You can see it better on there. Tutsi, special offer cocktail. An inside seating area there. Fresh coconuts, 26k. It's all in there at Tutsi. So just from Tutsi we have a big menu display board here. Menu here at the front. Let's give you some idea of the beer buckets here. Tutsi Bar and Restaurant beer bucket. 5 bottles Sinaraja. 5 bottles Bintang Crystal. 5 bottles Bintang. All the cappuccinos and coffees and things there as well. And again, very quiet. Most of them quiet tonight here on the beach at the Sindhu area. And then we're going to continue on. So some long chairs for rent in this area. Only 50,000 each. And then now we've arrived at our final stop, the Byrd House. So it has a coffee shop here. How are you, brother? You good? Byrd House here. This is the inside coffee shop area. Let's just take you and show you inside. It's probably going to be quiet again inside here. There's the inside of the Byrd House. Yeah, also very quiet in here. Wow. There's a counter area. So just from a Byrd House coffee shop, we do have a nice little seating areas out here that's just been created. It's in the middle of the bicycle path and the pedestrian walking path. Very nice. Sanur Disco Club. Shake it at 5, snooze at 10 it says there. Free entry. All here at the Byrd House. So there's the actual Byrd House itself there. Has an inside seating area there in the impressive Byrd House structure. And here's the main entrance here. There's a few people inside there, I see. Not super busy, but few. Hello, how are you? So not busy there neither, but I don't know. It's few inside, few customers inside the actual Byrd House itself. Just walk down a little bit further. It's a nice impressive structure this. There's lots of impressive structures actually here. Oh, there is a few people in there, in that section there. Let's walk down here and then we'll finish today's video. Well, here we are. Here's a view of the Byrd House from the back, so not too busy in here. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video. My night stroll here in Sanur at the Sindhu Beach location. So most notably tonight for me was just how quiet it was. I started at 10 past 7 p.m, which is normally the busy time. This is normally a very popular time for people coming out and dining. So the restaurants, I expected to be quite a few customers. However, that just really wasn't the case in tonight's video. Many popular restaurants as well in this area. The Soul on the Beach, K Manis, all of the ones at the rear entrance to the Icon Bali shopping mall as well. Just all very few customers inside there. But hopefully what the video's done anyway is it show you that there is a great collection of restaurants here. I have eaten at many of these places myself. The Soul on the Beach, K Manis, Byrd House. I have featured Soul on the Beach in a video. I shall have the link in the description for that. It's also we only had the Kajura Suites hotel accommodation and the Inner Sindhu in tonight's video, so not too much in the way of accommodation. But all in all, the Sindhu Beach area now is very popular area to stay in Sanur due to the Icon Bali shopping mall. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed tonight's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.